Hey everybody, Coach AG again, just checking in with you for week 2, and we're looking good so far. Most everybody is submitting their details correctly through the apps, different apps that you're using. So hey, great job with that. I do want to improve the accuracy and the validity of some of these assignments. So let's make sure to submit a selfie after the workout. Okay, if you look at the video, you can see ways to um, put the details on your photo, depending on what app you use. If you're just sending in photos of the workout, specifically for Pilates or yoga or something like that, then let's try to have our cell phones or some type of device on us so that we can still get that activity for that duration. And that just helps with me being able to justify that you all are doing the work to the administration if we get audited for this class. So, hey, we're doing a great job. Continue to work out, exercise, add different things to your workout schedule. But this week, let's have a little fun. Let's take some selfies. Everybody give me a big smile. Cha-ching. Awesome. You look great. Hey, see y'all soon. If you got any questions, email me. My email is eagee@lawsonstate.edu. Other than that, hey, find what works. Thanks.